Okay, let's start with a new composition. I'll import the Illustrator logo file and create a solid for the background. Then, I'll create a shape from vector layer and add a stroke. Now let's animate the teapot using position, scale, and rotation, adjusting them as needed. I'll apply easy ease to smooth the motion. Then I'll create a new solid and name it T. Next, I'll reduce the opacity to see the teapot more clearly. Using the pen tool, I'll create a mask and then apply the stroke effect. I'll adjust the brush size as needed. Then open the effect setting and animate it using the end parameter. For the paint style, I'll set it to reveal original image. Now I'll set the opacity to 100%, organize my layers, and we'll have something like this. Great! Let's move on to filling the text. I'll create a new solid, name it T2, and apply the reverb effect. Next, I'll create a mask that matches the row of the text. I'll adjust the wave speed and size. Then animate T2 using the position property. Now, I'll duplicate the text layer, fill it with black, and remove the stroke. Then I'll set T2 as a track matte for the text. I'll fine-tune the keyframe timing and maybe add another keyframe to create a more natural wave effect. Next, I animate the teapot back to its original position. To do this, I simply duplicate the first keyframe of position, scale, and rotation and paste them. That's all easy. Now I'll animate T1 by adjusting the start value and the stroke effect to stop the T from falling. At this point, I'll cut this layer using Command-Shift-D since I don't need the stroke-based logo. In the final look, I only want the filled version of the logo. Lastly, I'll animate any remaining elements. You can reveal them using opacity. It's simple but effective. At the end, you can adjust the color using the fill effect to change the logo black or any color you prefer.